Hey guys, it's Cypher and I'm back again with another video. So today guys, I'm doing a tutorial on how you'll be able to make your own profile picture, but kind of like a logo type profile picture. So yeah, so pretty much the stuff that you'll be needing is a photoshopping application and a background, since I'll be pretty much teaching you the way and how I pretty much made mine. So yeah, so for the photoshopping application, you'll be needing PS Touch, or at least any photoshopping application that it's actually quite similar to PS Touch. And yeah, by the way, the link for PS Touch will be just down below the description, and it's not gonna be in the Google Play Store since it was removed, so the link in the description will be pretty much an APK link. So yeah, let's pretty much now open up PS Touch, and yeah. But wait, by the way, sorry for the tutorial won't be really that detailed, since like I don't know, like just try to follow these touch gestures again, or like these touch marks. So yeah, so you pretty much gotta first go in here and make a blank document, and for the size, it's either you go for 500 by 500 or 1000 by 1000, though it actually depends on like on the website, because some websites actually requires a bigger one than 1000, or like a smaller one than 1000 or something. So yeah, so after that you now pretty much gotta add your background, since I'm like pretty much doing the way and how I did it. So yeah, you pretty much just gotta get the background from where you like place it or saved it and stuff. So yeah, so don't worry if like some parts of the background will be cropped, since you'll be adjusting it anyways to like the main thing of the background. So like the main thing is like these two, like just looking at the moon or something, I don't know. So yeah, pretty much after that you gotta like make the text. So for the logo, it's either you like put some picture, but or I don't know, but I'll be, yeah, since I'm gonna be doing this like my way, it's either you like put the first letter of your username, or make like a, I don't know if it's called an abbreviation, make like an abbreviation of your username, I guess, like the Cypher IS, like that, kind of like that. I don't even know if that's called an abbreviation. So yeah, so after that, after you already made the like selected the letter and stuff, or typed the letter, and I gotta select a font. So I'm gonna be going for Banshee STD, since I don't know, it just looks pretty sick, I guess, for some reason. So yeah, so after you selected a font and stuff, wait, let me just actually fix that. And now I'll also border it with like a circle, with a circle border. So I don't know, I don't even know what the heck this is called and stuff. So yeah. So, but before you actually do that circle border thing, you first gotta make a new layer, an empty layer, which is where you're gonna be doing that circle thing. So first off, you gotta go here, swipe up, then swipe to the right, select the circle selection tool, and after that you gotta like just make a perfect circle, then boom, that's it. Let me just try to make this perfect. Boom. Okay, so pretty much after that, you gotta go to this end button here, then tap and fill and stroke. And now you gotta go to the type of fill and stroke, so just go for stroke. Then for the color, yeah, you can change the color to anything. And for the width, it's either you go for the thinnest one, the thick one, or just the medium one. I recommend you to go for the 15 or 20 if you just want to go for the medium one, though it's actually up to you. So yeah, so pretty much once you're done with that, let's just deselect that, or is that what it's called? Like, yeah, the select. So yeah, let's just put the circle at the middle, I guess. Yep, this is in the middle. I think this is the middle, and also put the letter at the middle, or the logo, I don't know. So yeah, after that, you can actually like, I pretty much made it like a double circle, so like made it like this, yes, I don't know, I actually forgot, look, so kind of like that, kind of made it like that, And then after that I added the shadow, but I won't be really adding that gradient effect. So I don't know, I just want it to be full white or something, or I don't know. Pretty much after you do that, you now gotta like do like some, I don't know, like I kind of like did that slashed effect or something, like kind of like this, like kind of like that, yeah. And then after they clear it, so you just like gotta do that over and over again and stuff. So yeah. Oh wait, shoot! Before I actually fast forward, I actually forgot to tell you guys that you're actually supposed to like merge all of these layers first before you actually like start like, you know, doing the like slashed effects or something. So yeah, or like that out of glitched effect, I'm not too sure, but yeah. So yeah, those so far so good. This looks pretty sick. I don't even know if it actually looks better than my current one right now, but yeah. So yeah, this is how you make a like your own logo before we finish like end it. You can actually add like these gradient stuff, like the shadowing stuff at the sides. Yeah, which actually looks pretty sick. And yeah, I guess that pretty much ends it. So that's pretty much how you make your own logo. So yeah, I'll be ending the video here, guys. So hopefully this video was helpful to you guys, and if this video was quite confusing, then I'm really sorry about that. Just try to find another video, I guess, and stuff for you. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.